Dear friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, amenities and nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.